Pangy line half 10. Who's the tough in the yard ring? Man, hi.
Welcome to the DuttyBerryShow's coverage of Sting 2022.
Alright, so Sting 2022 there with Wakka and Ricco Ras. Alright, so what was it like? First time performing at Sting, right?
It was great.
Yeah, yeah.
Trust me. I love the reception.
First time performing at Sting and the wickedest thing. We are king.
Right now.
But so the deal with the stage, man. This wasn't no amateur thing. We deal with it like a long time and a years and I practice for this very moment. Like, what was the response like and how did it feel while not deliver and feel the crowd energy?
Yeah, if you know, say we say shellele, squelele, violele, tomorrow, no, today, so brain damage, alright, that's it, go.
What you say, Ricco?
I want to say the crowd that feel where whenever literally I touch them. You see me I say? The performance was crazy. It just, I was nervous. Nothing like that. Just like me and my friend, them a reason. We just shell it like turtle back and circle back.
Alright, so tell me about the whole entire look going into tonight now. Like, how long can it look like? When it look very fine. When it look like when it's supposed to come down with Cardi B and Offset and the rest of them.
People say we look like Migos, because we change our image, make it look like Weebos.
What you say though, Bush?
All of them on my foot, all when people blind them have to look. This a guess. I'll let you know you still have to guess.
No, Wakka, years in the street, right?
Right, no, long
time. I feel like it's based in a half a tree, right?
That is it, you know the thing, man.
Jesus Christ, man.
Man.
Some multiple talents in it up from long time.
Show me lifestyle a constant spring. Y'all call my phone and give me constant bling.
Oh my God. Now speaking of that, you're an artist now, right?
Right.
And I live the life and everything, right?
I'm an artist long time.
Alright, now, so like what you just mentioned, constant spring a while ago. Has it been, how have the ladies been treating you? Is it easier to get girls in the streets now?
Yeah, man. Now watch out. Be a girl that broke out for me. Broke out. Girl, you good at damn gold that me for minor.
What you say, girl? Girls, them love we love money. Jaja, I that man.
Alright, so if another chance right now, because Queen and Amari is supposed to clash later on. If y'all had a chance to collab with one of them, which one you pick?
You know, when I go Queenie.
Okay.
Straight.
You have to say why in a Wakka?
Because Queenie have an energy like she's a queen.
Oh.
Regardless what kind of queen it is, a queen is a queen. Can't call her winner or loser.
Oh, okay. Ricco, what you say? Who you not collab with?
I think Amari.
Oh. Okay. Why you not collaborate with Amari?
You know, I think she have an image still and I think I'll go on.
Okay.
So we just go on with it where she go on with, because we're not born big.
Alright, so I want you to tell me like what some of the upcoming projects that you have Wakka for 2023, singles, projects and stuff.
Right now, me and Ricco have a next one named Jaggy Line Pan the Ground.
Oh, Jaggy Line Pan the Ground.
Pan the Ground.
What the song they about?
Jaggy Line Pan the Ground.
Alright.
Say we are gonna lose, now we are win. Pull out with the crown, cause we are king.
Yeah.
Body set a girl there we foot. Be a bad dogs we are crook. The killers them out, we are landlord no good. Touch girl in a mouth like the nan, you know.
Alright, I watch you now. We have a new thing now. When you're haunted. I watch you. We got Bill Gates name in my clocks.
Right, yeah.
Elon Musk on the touch.
Alright.
Some man stood up upon them. Wells Fargo have a call up the boss.
Right, no, right. Airport, what he jagger with the craft, jagger skull pan the line, drop the crown down a waff. Be a bosom man, they up on the staff where you feel, say we have to tip the room when we are proud. Chop your dumpy in, chop your dumpy, chop.
Alright. No, we're not drinking because honestly, me I like how me have them energy here like this is what. In the morning, early morning.
Man, my energy got. Me not talk elephant.
Oh yeah, different.
Yeah.
Okay, so before we leave, we're gonna play a little game here. The game name last, so just answer quick, alright? Last time you cuss off somebody.
Today.
Yes, today.
Alright, so the last time you cry.
No time.
Can't remember.
The last time somebody violated you.
Today.
Even though they both.
Last time your masher works.
Right now.
Wait, before that is how you got ready for so you're sneaking a piece. Wow.
Right now.
Wow.
I watch ya. Bad man bad. Duttyberry bad. The poor guy me bad. 90s bad. New Year. Tell a bully. Anyway, Berry deliver the beef. Friend them bad in the street. Not even garbage couldn't tell how much been a heap. This level
no man, them have a song for everything. Them have a song for everything, like honestly.
Well, I say people don't judge me, just know this. A good and bad make it work. Cause if it wasn't for the criminal, them police don't have no work. And if it wasn't say people are sin member, you don't have no church. So load the girls them when you see them on the stretch them a work.
You know what? You see me kind of going so good. I'm gonna step out and any performance, any song when you want to give it like a 30 seconds, just do anything. Wakka, Ricco, alright,
Ricco.
sit down.
Outside and wanted. Man, I love them girl and a bangy line half 10. Who's a tough in my yard ring? Man, high like, hey, you know, alone money man account. Me have PayPal, Cash App, Forex account. Fully goes to tongue, no joke. My lifestyle at the definition of a god. Wakka.
Rub me skin now with white like snow and don't me touch them a glow like 3D. Show them fi know. Don't get close man, we dirty up the place like a white Air Force. All it take is just a text by my phone. Body chop on the ground like chicken bone. Me girl me gonna chrome so me did have to hold a tone. Yo, I must me had them father. Yo, the way me send them home, sting.
Wakka. Big up Duttyberry with them on the baddest station. The baddest station, Duttyberry. Big up.
Duttyberry, we tell you this. Wakka represent for you.
Ricco
you know
Ras.
the street say you know.
Lone Torture.
Long time.